Alright, so here's the follow-up video. I recapped all the electrolytic capacitors. This one, those guys, all three of those, all of these, all the electrolytic caps. There's a gear sluts thread about it. And that was very helpful. Ordered from DigiKey. All the capacitors showed up in a couple days. It was really easy if you know how to do circuit board soldering stuff. Yeah, there's other videos that show that, but basically I just wanted to show you this unit. Haha, no longer freaks out. So, very common thing if you go on gear sluts. This is a common problem. You got to recap the power supply. Good times.